Hello everybody, this is quick tutorial how to flip faces. I will show you two ways how you can flip faces. First way is go to edit mode, select everything, go to mesh, go to normals and recalculate outside. Shortcut is Shift and N. So I select everything and go Shift and N. Now you can see all faces are facing outside. And if I open an operator panel, you can switch this into inside. Sometimes happen that you have to choose manually those faces what you wanna flip. So the other way, select faces which you want flip, then go to mesh, normals and flip. Shortcut Alt and N, Alt and N and flip. Select faces, Alt and N and flip. See my next short tutorials and thanks for watching.